Roddie Cleere's Irish Music Show. This week's featured album.
As you worked it out, was it cold on the underpass? Is the world away? So take everything you need and you cut them down. Yeah, you cut them so they bleed. And I'm so sorry to walk away. There's no other and if there's something we have to say, then I will say a while we can. Did you laugh enough? Did you laugh at this disease as you reach the end? Are you happy to release and as you walk away? Do you stop for a second glance? There's no other way. Yeah, we never had a chance. And I'm so sorry to walk away. There's no other way. And if there's something we have to say tonight, let's say a while we can. Say a while we can. Let's say it while we can. Let's say it while we can. Whoa! Let's say it! And I'm so sorry to walk away. There's no other and if there's something we have to say tonight, we'll say a while we can.
It's the second track from our featured album on the programme this week, Storyfold. It's the second album from them called It's Later Than You Think, and it's released on the 26th, gets its proper release, and they have a gig in the Button Factory in Dublin on the same night. The Lost and the Lonely is the current single from that. I'll give that a blast a little bit later on, but that particular piece there you heard is called The Underpass. Storyfold, It's Later Than You Think. As I say, one more final track from that coming up later on. Here's another brand new album that arrived in during the week. I had to listen to it in the car the other day, and I love it, I have to say. I think I'm going to feature this next week as our featured album. The album is called Practical, and it comes from Mail Order Messiah. This is the single called Practical Man.
Practical. is unsustainable. Your career trajectory unstoppable. Your application is remarkable. Your solution's always workable. How I love your in-house efficiencies and your risk-averse proficiency and your undying devotion to practicality. Please put in a good word for me down in the IFS.
Yeah, it's called Practical Man, and it comes from Mail Order Messiah, and great album it is as well. I'm going to going to play a few more tracks from that on the programme next week. It'll be my featured album on that programme. A band many people will know I live in Waterford, but I went along to the local arts theatre, Garter Lane Arts Centre, last night, and I went along to see a band called In the Willows, who are just utterly superb. They are described as a folk band. I wouldn't necessarily kind of pigeonhole them that tightly. They're alternative folk, but I'm going to give you a listen to this next piece of music. When they sang it last night, there's about, 1, 2, 3, I'm just kind of counting in my mind, about 7 of them in the band, In the Willows from Waterford. They have a new album just gone on release. Last night was the launch of it, and the album is called Before Everybody Disappears, and this particular track is the last track on it. Gosh, I'm torn now between this one and Mail Order Messiah as the album of the week next week. Anyway, we'll play tracks from all of them, one way or the other. But this particular song, when it was played on air, when they played it last night, you could hear a pin drop. It was packed to capacity, and Tara, the singer with the band, sang this. And anyway, have a listen. It's called It's Over. And if you have nobody else in the house at the moment, turn it up slightly, turn down the lights, and listen.
Once we are alone, I'll tell you all you need to know. I'll tell you what I said. I said to him when my eyes were closed, sitting in the dark. And twice now it hasn't worked. Do you think he's trying to tell us something that none of us are who we thought we were? And isn't it a shame how things have gone? And I've been trying to save for a long time, and I've been stumbling on words to find, and I've been trying to say for a long time that it's over, that it's over. The sunlight, it flickers through my morning window, and I don't shade my eyes like I used to. Always die, a part of me does too. 'Cause I've been trying to save for a long time, and I've been stumbling on words to find, and I've been trying to save for a long time that it's over, that it's over.
your broken nose. And when he finds out where you've been sneaking from, on his behalf, just punch these buttons on your phone. 2112121212121. So go ahead and save me. I know you won't let me down. Sophisticated ladies should not be messing with that. I think it's only fair we call the ambulance. 21121212121. So go ahead and save me. I know you won't let me down. Sophisticated ladies should not be messing with that.
Rainy Boy Sleep. And he is kind of very trendy at the moment. A lot of people are very much into the music he does, and that's a song from him called Ambulance, just recently released. And before that, did you like it? I'm sure you did. It's called It's Over, and it comes from In the Willows. Before Everybody Disappears is the name of the album. I'm actually hoping to, because I made a mix-up with some of the guests. That I thought I had a guest in next week, which I haven't. It's the following week, so I have next Saturday, or next Sunday rather, available, so I'm trying to get them in for next week. It might be a bit too short notice, but a band really worth looking out for, and every song on that album is a little gem, but that one in particular, I call it Goosebump Good. It just brings up the goosebumps when I have a listen, as does this.
You come strolling in, made me look the fool. I kept waiting and waiting till you left me. What was I to do? Save my life for you. Well, I found someone new. I'd save it and save it till you chase me. kiss me. Who's the fool?
Isn't that nice? Late night listening, for sure. It's an Irish band as well, and they call themselves Cookie and the Vaudevilles, and the album is called Rags to Riches, and that's the opening track called Out of the Blue. What did I have before that? Oh yeah, we had Rainy Boy Sleep in there and Albans, all the rest. Very good. Coming up after the next piece of music, we have our midway segue, which is, as always, a couple of songs from Thin Lizzy, although I'm doing something slightly different on it this week, and I'll tell you about that shortly. This is Coda Kids and Dirty Like Rock and Roll.
Crawling to your bed, forgetting what I said. I'm so stupid in these times, don't even know myself. Drawn to your way, always haunted by your call. Your face like an angel, getting ready for the fall. Figure me out, feel my soul. Shine like a diamond, dirty like rock and roll. Dirty like rock and roll. Got me so damn hard, don't have to try. Never thought that I would ever be. You have never changed, fair weather till the end. And now I understand, never to be friends. The same old story, it's the same old call. Your face like an angel, getting ready for the fall. Figure me out, still my soul. You shine like a diamond, dirty like rock and roll. Got me so damn high, don't have to try. Never thought that I would ever be here. Has someone opened my eyes? Never thought I'd be
Dirty Like Rock and Roll, Coda Kid from the self-titled album, went on release a few months back ago now as well, and this is a song from it called Dirty Like Rock and Roll. It's also the current single as well. Now, our midway segue on the programme this week, as you know, I always do a couple of tracks from Thin Lizzy, and I thought that today, I'll do a track from them, obviously, which I'm going to do very shortly from the Black Rose album, but the first track I'm going to play for you is a cover of one of their very early songs, and you know Declan O'Rourke. You've heard Declan O'Rourke before. Here he is with Jack Marr and their very rather wonderful take on Little Girl in Bloom. Have a listen.
side, any sadness, sorrow, or gloom. Tomorrow you'll be a blushing bride, love's a blushing little girl in bloom. You watch the men play cricket from the window in your room. See the ball go from bat to wicket, pass away the afternoon. Little girl in bloom, she carries a secret, a child she carries in her womb. She feels something sacred, she's gonna be a mommy soon. When your daddy comes home, don't tell him too long. Daddy gets back, don't tell him the fact. Just relax and see how he's gonna react. Little girl in bloom, all of the clouds will go drifting by, so sing your lullabying tune, and every word is in your eyes. Little girl in bloom, your love, it fills the air with the scent of the sweetest sweet perfume. You feel so good, you just don't care. Little girl in bloom, she carries a secret, a child she carries in her womb. Feels something sacred, she's gonna be a mammy soon. When your daddy comes home, don't tell him too long. When your daddy gets back, go tell him the facts. Just relax and see how he's
Roddie Cleare's Irish Music Show. The Midway Segue.
Existence, laying your love on the line. Resistance is useless. She can leave at any time. I must confess that in my quest I felt depressed and restless. But this Casanova's roving days are over, more or less. With love.
There you go, our midway segue for this week on the programme. First of all, Declan O'Rourke and his version of a song called Little Girl in Bloom, which came from Thin Lizzy's back catalogue, going back into the old Eric Bell days, and Jack Marr was the second guitarist on that. A lovely version of that particular tune. And that is from the Black Rose album, and a song called With Love, of course. KCLR, it's Roddie with you till 10 o'clock on the Irish Music Show, and with you at 9:30, got the A to Z of Irish music. We're on the letter Q tonight. This is a track from the brand new Foxjaw album, Ghosts and Ghosts Parade. This is Caked in Sin.
she never leaves, she never sees. All my senses are to blame. All my lover's effigies are burning but the one. And all our mysteries are meant to be the secrets of a heart forever yearning to belong to a lover's kiss. Takes her out to the infinite, drags her down from the parapet, where there's no regret, there's no regret. And all my senses are to blame. All my lover's effigies are burning in the sun. And all our mysteries are meant to be the secrets of a heart forever yearning to belong to a lover's kiss. A lover's kiss. And all my senses are to blame. All my lover's effigies are burning in the sun. And all our mysteries are meant to be the secrets of a heart forever yearning to belong to a lover's kiss. A lover's kiss.
Friends of Emmett. And the album is called State of Mind, and it's a great track from it. It's called Lover's Kiss, which I think is just, no, actually, you know something, I meant to play a different track from that album. Why did I? Never mind. It's Friends of Emmett anyway, nevertheless. And State of Mind is probably a good reason. Never mind, I'm all over the shop now. No, it's new music at, what time is it? 9:45. And this is the brand new song from The Minutes, which I really love. Get to see the video of this and you'll know exactly why I love it. See what t-shirt the drummer's wearing.
She tries to understand my man.
innocent. What a pair. Really met. Dressed to kill. Fever touch. Pound of steel. Eager mind. Hard to get. Come on strong. Bet you will. Just my luck. Still stuck on. Just as for the truth. What happens when the truth dies? Walk you home. Typical. Not alone. Told no. Dangerous. Take a hint. Never know where to go. Took me in. So afraid. Stared at him. Told me to. Call my man. What was I? Ain't no sense. Supposed to do. Still stuck on. Justice for the truth. What happens when the truth dies? Still stuck on. Justice for the truth. What happens
Yeah, I like that a lot. It's called Animals, and it's a new single. Was out a little while now from The Flaws. And before that, The Hard Ground from their second EP, and I can never get the pronunciation quite right, Triptych 2. They are releasing a series, a trilogy of EPs. This is the second one. There's 4 tracks on it, and that track you heard there was called Coin Toss. They were playing as part of the Guinness Amplify in Kilkenny, I think. Yeah, over the last couple of days. That's it for this hour of the programme. The news is on the way. We'll open up with a final track from Storyfold. That's after the news and sport.